One of the most lucrative ways that you can actually build your income streams up is through affiliate programs which offer recurring payments over time. Now, the reason why I bring this up to you is because as a beginner, it's really important to have these recurring income streams coming through, because it's a lot better than actually just getting paid once through some of these programs out there. This way you get to kind of build up this recurring stream which builds up gradually, and it gives you a lot more income stability over time. And in turn, this actually helps you build that financial stability over time and allows you to kind of have a bit more freedom and a lot less stress in your life. Now, while most programs out there just literally have typically one kind of main offer they present to their affiliates and maybe one or two upsells which you can actually earn a bit of income through, having these recurring income streams gives you that kind of stability which you do need when you're starting out, and you actually build upon over time as well. And if you go down this path of building these recurring income streams, because you do the work once, it almost acts as a passive form of income for you over time, which means you can basically be earning money without having to do any more extra work. And this is great if you have other focuses in your life, like you want to spend more time with family, friends, traveling and things like that, without any kind of hindrance on time and things like that. You can just kind of pack up, go on a holiday or vacation with the family or spend time with the family, and you always have that income coming through. So when you're starting out, I do highly advise looking out for these programs which actually offer these recurring income streams, because it does give you a lot more stability and flexibility with just income and also in your life there. But where should you start and which programs should you get involved with? Well, that's what I'm here for you today. I'm actually going to go through some of my favorite programs to actually get involved with for that recurring income streams through affiliate marketing. And these are the perfect programs to be involved with, especially if you're just starting out and you're still at that 9-to-5 job and you want to make sure you have that financial stability coming in through income through these affiliate programs, so that when you do eventually leave your 9-to-5 job, if that's part of your goal and your strategy, you do have that recurring income coming through. You do know where your money is coming from, and you have that financial stability to kind of cover bills and costs of expenses and things like that. And another great thing about these programs is they all have great retention rates, which means that people who sign up for these programs and actually pay for these programs tend to stick around for months and months on end, maybe years sometimes, which means you do constantly have that income coming through regularly without having to kind of worry about if it's just a one-time payment just once and done, or if they're going to stick around for 1 or 2 months and they're out, which means you should kind of keep adding to that and kind of trying to keep that stability or that base minimum. This way you can kind of grow on that and actually increase your income over time as well. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you my favorite program for achieving this recurring income stream through affiliate marketing, and stick around to the end because I've got another bonus for you as well. Now, the first program I'm going to mention is ClickFunnels. Now, I mentioned this program in last week's video about tools I use as an affiliate marketer, and I stand by what I say. It's one of the best platforms out there to be involved with for sales funnels, which help you guide your audience through a sales process to convert them from an audience or a viewer into some kind of paid customer over time. So like I said, this is a software which a lot of affiliates and also a lot of businesses use to increase their conversions of people who visit their website or people who are interested in their offer or their service to actually end up becoming either a lead or some kind of paying customer over time. And as well as that, they actually have one of the best affiliate programs out there. They have a 40% recurring commission on people who actually sign up to their platform to actually use their platform. And as well as that, they have plenty of other offers that you can actually become an affiliate for, which means you can actually have other kinds of income coming through. But for the purpose of this, we're kind of just focusing mainly on that recurring income stream of the people who sign up to their funnels packages. Now, as a bit of a guideline, the basic package on the ClickFunnels Classic is roughly about $97 a month, which means you're going to get paid 40% of that, which is just under $40 a month recurring for the lifetime of that customer who's signed up to ClickFunnels, which means that's a great source of income for you over time. And if you build up a good base of subscribers to this program, that can mean that's a really good form of income for you over time as well, which you can actually build upon as well, depending on how many you get through the kind of door to actually sign up to this program. Now, the next program I'm going to mention is Aweber, and same thing as ClickFunnels. I actually mentioned this program or this tool in my video last week about which tools I use as an affiliate marketer, and Aweber is just a email automation program or software that allows you to actually email or interact with your audience and build that kind of trust, rapport, and potentially even convert sales over time. And it's not only just used by affiliates such as myself, it's actually used by a lot of businesses as well for that email automation, especially if you have a large customer base, and that can be through just like a service-based business, or if you actually have an e-commerce store on Shopify or things like that, where you need to have kind of some kind of email automation to kind of email your subscriber base or customer base about new products, new offers and things like that, which you use to kind of keep generating that revenue for yourself and your business. And Aweber also has a fantastic affiliate program as well, where they actually pay out 30% commission recurring to anyone who signs up through you if you actually refer someone, which is a great way to actually kind of generate that regular source of income over time. The only difference between this and ClickFunnels is that it doesn't actually pay as much because the subscription fees for Aweber is a lot lower, which means if you want to have some kind of income built through this, you'd either need a lot more subscribers. But typically this works hand in hand with some other kind of software as well, which if they've subscribed to this, they might subscribe to another one, which means you can build that income a bit more easily. And another fantastic program which a lot of affiliates kind of promote is from Systeme.io. In some ways, which is very similar to both ClickFunnels and Aweber, in that it's actually an all-in-one kind of platform for marketers. So it actually has the funnel builders, web page builders, and also email automation, which is very useful as an affiliate or as someone who's promoting this kind of product or platform to someone. And pricing for this platform was actually also pretty flexible, depending on what your needs are, depending on how big your subscription base is, how many pages you need, how many funnels you need to build, all that kind of thing. So some of these programs actually have very similar kind of payment structures or pricing structures. So just be aware of that. But one of the great things about Systeme.io is that its commission rate for recurring commissions for subscribers or for affiliates is actually 50%, which is a lot higher than both ClickFunnels and Aweber, which means you get paid a lot more over time, which is a fantastic program to be part of, because that's one thing as an affiliate, you want to have that kind of highest commission rate possible to you, so that you can actually have a better kind of income coming through from these programs. So this is another great place to actually start earning some commissions and building that recurring income stream. And finally, another great favorites with affiliates is actually the platform GetResponse. Now, GetResponse is another email automation software, which, as I said earlier on, is used by a lot of affiliates and actually businesses to actually do all their email marketing. So as an affiliate, you'll most likely be using one of these softwares for email automation to handle all of that kind of promotion and kind of interaction with your audience over time. And same thing, GetResponse also has another fantastic or amazing affiliate program where it actually pays out about 33% of all subscription fees recurring monthly to anyone who actually sign up to that program as well, which means it's a great place to actually start earning that recurring income streams for yourself. Now, while these are all great platforms to actually be part of and great programs to be part of to actually start generating or earning that kind of recurring commission over time, like I said, as a beginner, getting the right framework in place to actually start promoting these kind of programs or platforms or services is essential. Otherwise, you can promote these to people, and if you don't actually have the right framework in place, it will be lost and you won't actually kind of get the same kind of conversion rate over time. Which leads me into the bonus of what I was going to talk to you about in this video. So if you are actually new to affiliate marketing, actually trying to build this as a business for yourself as a side hustle income stream, you want to have the right frameworks in place so that you can actually do this productively or profitably over time and actually be successful. And this is something which actually frustrates a lot of people who are actually just starting out in this kind of industry, is that they don't actually have the right frameworks or the right information available to them to actually get the right structures in place so that they can be successful and profitable over time. And as a result, they kind of step away from actually trying to do this for themselves. And as a result, they don't end up making money and they don't actually succeed. So getting the right training and information at the start is crucial to actually building your success over time. So you actually want to learn the frameworks which actually a lot of, or if not all, affiliates actually use to actually kind of build their email list and actually plan out their kind of content strategies and how to actually kind of structure their business over time. And that's why I always talk to you about the 15-day business builder challenge, because that does go through the training of actually how to set this all up for yourself and how to actually have the right structures and frameworks in place to actually become profitable over time with the correct information. And it's not only for affiliate marketers, it's actually also very useful for businesses as well, who actually want to try and get more leads to actually generate more business, because it sets up the same kind of framework, which can actually be used as an affiliate or in a brick and mortar kind of store or some kind of digital store as well. And having the correct training means that you can actually get this in place a lot faster, and as well as that, it means you can actually start earning money faster as well. So if you actually want to learn about that and actually take the challenge for yourself, I'll leave a link to that down below. I'll leave a link to all these programs down below as well, so you can actually look into them and actually sign up for them if you actually like as well. And I hope that video has been very, very useful for you. Don't forget, guys, smash that like button, and I'll catch you guys again in the next video. Cheers.